Time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, take a look at the snow on the mountains here, just at about 6:17 for this evening. As you take a look at that, I mentioned the time because the time changes this weekend. You'll see that on our 7-day forecast. That means by Sunday night, the sunset will be at 5:30. So we won't be able to take this shot for the early newscast. And not until probably the end of January, okay? So yeah, it's going to be a while. Now I'm going to talk about some snow possible for tomorrow morning. I'm just full of good news, right? As we start out here. First of all, we've got a winter weather, not advisory, I'm sorry. We're talking about a winter weather warning right along through this area here. This is the advisory down to the south. This is for strong gusty winds from 6 o'clock tonight to 6 o'clock again tomorrow afternoon. This is, that means winds 40 miles an hour or above. Now in this particular area, in the warning area, it's snow for this evening all the way to about 6 o'clock tomorrow as that storm system pulls through. And some mountain locations, the higher country, could get anywhere from 8 to 15 inches of snow with this. Gusty winds to 40 miles an hour, so it kind of gives you an idea. You'll be running against the weather here over the next couple of days. In fact, it could continue with some heavy snow even into the first part of next week. Down here in the valley, it's mainly rain, at least through the weekend, even though we have some snow possible for tomorrow morning. And when you tabulate it from this storm, there's the possibility of a quarter to a half an inch of rain in many locations. This will be through probably Saturday afternoon as it begins early tomorrow morning. As you look at the futurecast, let's put the timing together. First of all, you can see the storm system coming in. This is 5:30 tomorrow morning. 5:30 tomorrow morning. You see all the snow there in the mountains. Down here in the valley, you see Caldwell has some rain. Some spots could actually start out with some rain at 5:30. I'm going to stop it again at about anywhere between 7 to 9 o'clock where there's a changeover to snow, but there's still a little bit of rain. So this is pretty soggy. When we talk about those snow measurements, not likely that we're going to see that because it's kind of soggy. And watch the freeway, watch the back roads on this sort of thing if you're going to be traveling in the morning. It could be kind of tricky in spots. Now it changes over to rain during the day on Friday. Now we're going into Saturday. As you look at Saturday, it lets up a bit at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. There it is. But there could still be a shower that comes in. I mean, that's 3 o'clock in the morning. During the day, there could be some showers off and on. At 5 o'clock, we're not showing much. That's for the game time for Saturday night, okay? Just to let you know that it's there, but we do have a lot of showers that will be around the area. As you look at our latest satellite, take a look at this. There's the rain that's coming in. It's already over Seattle and Portland. I wanted to show you this map. Here's the northwest, and look at this ocean river right up through here. Atmospheric river, we should say, goes way out there. So it's pretty stormy when you look at that. Temperature-wise, well, tonight it's good and cold. That's why when that storm comes in, a lot of areas will be seeing snow. It will be in the mountains, also the western mountains. As you take a look at this in the west central mountains, down here in valley locations, temperatures will be the lower 40s and lows tonight just above freezing or freezing at 32 degrees. That's why it looks pretty good for a changeover to snow. So you have that and then rain on Saturday that decreases. The time change, scattered showers on Sunday. But you know, with these temperatures, next week with some of these showers, we could be talking more snow even down here in the valley. Back with more in just a moment.